Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing analysis on BTC Gold, Euro USD and AUD USD. So if you can watch on the previous video, I predicted this sell for gold, and you can see going do exactly. So in order to do your analysis very well, you need to start from the higher time frame in order to know the directional bias of the market. So like I told you guys, the overall trend for gold is bullish, and we check on the weekly time because here you have a break of structure. You see a 3 break of structure, and you see price coming to sweep liquidity at this other block here. So now, yes, gold is already at a buy level, at our demand level. So we should not just be expecting a buy around this level, though it's a weekly time frame that will be a trend. When you go to the daily time frame, the daily time frame is responsible for the change of character, so you need to wait for a change of character. So we start seeing as buyers now coming in the market. If you check on the daily time frame, you see the internal structure is still bullish, it's still bearish, though the overall trend is bullish. Obviously, the overall trend is bullish, but if you check on the daily time frame, the internal structure is still bearish. So we should not go and be looking for buys on the 15-minute time frame, or unless you are just trying to catch buy from the lower low standpoint. But the directional bias of the market based on this internal trend is still bearish. Why? Because we still have fresh break of structure around here. You see, the weekly and the daily time frame is responsible for moving the trend. So whatever buys you are seeing on this smaller time frame, they are just noise. You understand? So if we check now, when price was here, I started producing this sell from here because I know there was inducement and there was liquidity that's supposed to be free around here. Why? This first pullback, when price came to grab liquidity and here, give a change of character, this double bottom was not enough to push price to give a new lower low. You understand? So the fact that price gave a double bottom, gave a market structural shift without grabbing liquidity, that was when I started seeing that sell for here. And when price gave an imbalance around it, a daily imbalance for that matter, now I started seeing that price high. And when price pulled back, this last equal high here, this other block was still, and you see price did not break past this other block around here. That was when I see I'm always seeing that they sell for gold, they always sell for gold. And you see price are moving, I see so lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And now if you go to the 4 hours time frame here, you see the 4 hours time frame, there was a break of structure. I did a video about when gold was here. I said when we see something like this, break of structure, change of character, pull back, give a new lower low, and then we should be selling. And this, but me, I missed this opportunity here. I missed the trade because I was waiting for a confirmation. For the last confirmation, price did not give it, so I missed the trade here. But I took trade around this level. So we should just be looking for sell for gold. Why? The last other block that gives the break of structure is still active. So when price will pull back around this 4,127, we should be expecting for a change of character around this level. So when we see a change of character and we start seeing sales characteristics, then we should start looking out for a sell to this level. You can take a trade. Let me show you guys. You can sell now from here to this level. The only time we will start looking for a buy, you see here's the 4 hours time frame now doing the analysis, not from the 1 minute time frame, not to avoid all those noise. So when price will come and give a new lower low around here, give a change of character, give our confirmation, then that's what we should be looking for a sell around here. So now if we want to look for a buy, unless price start failing to give a new lower low around this point, then that is when we'll start looking for a buy. You understand? So now the break of structure is still active. The sellers are still in the market. Why? You have a break of structure around there. The last equal high that gave the break of structure is still active. So there should not be any reason why you should be looking to hold a long buy from here. But if you see on Friday, I took this buy around this level. You see, but I got stopped out because of over risking and not put a proper stop loss. Though the market gave me profit, so I tried to break even, and the market came and threw me out. If you check on the 15-minute time frame, I took a buy around here. You understand? When price fails to give a new lower low, I saw this market structure shift. there was a candlestick that broke this neckline. You see this engulfing candlestick. So I took the buy around here. The price push up, I put my TP, my stop loss around the level. Price came and stopped me out. And you see price brought up to this TP level. You see price brought right up to this level. So you see the fact that price, you see this level, I created this other block around here that price can reach around this level. Why? The final price creates an imbalance. There was a break of structure. Price creates an imbalance coming to another block. We're supposed to have a market structure shift. Price grab liquidity with a pattern before we come to the other. But price never did that because there was too much volatility. So price instead just break structure, allowing liquidity here for price to come and fill later. That's why you see price coming to fill liquidity around this level. The first time is that buyers are already coming in the market. You see here's a lower low, lower high. If I price to give a new lower low, you see price started ranging around here. That was the reason why I was anticipating a buy from this level. So here's a sub-10 buy. And if the market open on Monday, you can look for it. If you want to go, just go with the trend. You understand? The internal strength is still bullish, so you can go. It's a first break of structure. You should not be looking for a say even around this double bottom right here. No, because this higher low that gave the break of structure is still open. So you can look for a small buy around this level to this level like this. I'm suspecting that price can reach right to this equal high here facing this level. You can buy from year to year. So when the market open on Monday, if price do this, because I'm already seeing here as a market structure shift, price can pull back around here, give a pattern on that's the 15 minute. They should be looking for buy around here. Then when we go to BTC, so have you seen right? Unless the 4 hours pulls down, started fail to give a new lower low, before we should be looking now for a good buy on gold. So I'll keep up updating you guys about this when the time for buy or gold reach. I'm sure that will be next month, the second week of next month like that, because it will take time, because why? It is a daily time frame that is moving the trend. I'm saying the daily time frame responsible for all the candlestick confirmation, change of character. So we need to wait for the daily time frame to show us that the buyers are already coming in the market. So we should this next week we should be looking for just short sale around this level. Then we'll go for Bitcoin here. I took this short on Bitcoin. You see